APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India. Dr. Avul Fakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, popularly known as APJ Abdul Kalam, was one of India's most beloved scientists, visionaries, and former presidents. Born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, he rose from humble beginnings to become a leading figure in India's space and missile programs. His contributions, not just in science but also in education and leadership, continue to inspire millions of people worldwide. Early life and education. Dr. Kalam came from a modest background. His father was a boat owner and his mother was a homemaker. Despite financial hardships, Kalam was a bright student who displayed immense curiosity in science and technology. He completed his schooling in Rameswaram and later graduated in physics from St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. Driven by his passion for aeronautics, Kalam pursued aerospace engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology, MIT. Contributions to science and technology. Kalam's early career began at the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, but his real breakthrough came when he joined the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. He was the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite in orbit in 1980. This achievement was a milestone in India's space program and solidified his role as a key figure in space research. Later, Kalam returned to DRDO to work on India's missile development program. His leadership in projects like the development of the Agni and Prithvi missiles earned him the title Missile Man of India. These efforts significantly boosted India's defense capabilities and established the nation as a power to be reckoned with in the field of defense technology, presidency and beyond. In 2002, APJ Abdul Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India. Known as the People's President, Kalam was admired for his simplicity, humility, and dedication to public service. He used his position to inspire youth, especially through his vision of a developed India by 2020, which he elaborated in his book India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium. Even after his presidency, Kalam continued to engage with students, advocating for innovation, education, and national development. His speeches often highlighted the importance of science, spirituality, and leadership. He authored several books, including Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds, which continue to inspire generations of readers. Legacy. Dr. Kalam passed away on 27th July 2015 while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. His death was mourned nationwide, and his legacy as a scientist, teacher, and leader remains a source of pride for India. Kalam's vision for India's development, especially his focus on empowering the youth and his belief in the transformative power of education and science, is an enduring part of his legacy. His life is a testament to how dedication, perseverance, and passion can overcome all odds and inspire millions toward progress.